emerald zombie wasp. Some even call it the zombie cockroach wasp. The emerald wasp is famous for what it does to cockroaches. This little insect looks like a flying gem. It's shiny green, almost metallic looking, but don't let that fool you. It's actually one of the smartest hunters in the insect world. And yeah, it's wild. It doesn't sting them to kill them, it stings to control them. Emerald wasps have a fascinating and highly specialized diet. Adult emerald wasps primarily feed on nectar, fruit juices, and other sugary substances. Emerald cockroach wasps are extremely territorial, and they won't share their prey with other wasps. They can fly up to several hundred meters in search of a host cockroach. A cockroach has very limited defenses against an emerald wasp, also called an emerald cockroach wasp. But there are a few things it could try to avoid or escape an attack. Number 1, avoidance and fleeing. The best chance a cockroach has is to detect the wasp early and just run. Cockroaches are fast and their reflexes are sharp, so if they spot the wasp in time, they might be able to outrun it or hide. Number 2, erratic movement. Sudden, unpredictable darting, left, right, then stop, can throw off the wasp's aim. And that matters because the wasp needs to sting the cockroach's brain with precision to zombify it. Number 3, defensive kicking or wriggling. Some cockroaches kick with their spiny legs when attacked. It's not much, but it might be just enough to mess up the wasp's attempt to land the perfect sting. Number 4, hiding in narrow crevices. The wasp's body is bulkier than the cockroach's, so slipping into a tight space, a crack, a burrow, or under debris could block access and buy the cockroach some time. And number 5, camouflage or darkness. Roaches are nocturnal. Wasps, not so much. So staying hidden during the day when the wasp is out hunting can help reduce the chance of being spotted at all. Now, all of that might sound good in theory, but here's the catch. Once the wasp gets close, really close, and lands that first sting, it paralyzes the cockroach's front legs. Then comes the second sting, a precise strike straight into the brain. That's the one that shuts off the cockroach's will to escape. It's like flipping a switch. And once that happens, it's over. So bottom line, early detection and escape. That's the cockroach's best shot. But honestly, if the wasp locks on, the odds aren't in the cockroach's favor. The wasp then leads the roach into a little hole or burrow, kind of like this space here, and lays a single egg on it. Then it seals the entrance. The roach stays alive, but frozen, and when the baby wasp hatches, it starts eating the roach slowly from the inside. Nature is wild, right?